Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Daniel coming from Reseller Lifestyles. And today I want to shoot you a nice quick tip. This is for beginners, whether you just started selling on eBay or you selling on Mercari or whatever case may be. You started this side hustle thing of becoming a reseller. You say you watch my last video where I talk about reasons why you should become a reseller to diversify your income, this, that, and the other. Okay, let's say you started doing that, right? But it comes down time to where you have sold whatever you listed. Say you sold your PlayStation 4 or your PlayStation 3, or you sold whatever, something that you wasn't really in need of having, and it could bring you some money in. Well, I'm going to show you today how to ship without having a printer. All right. I'm going to hop on here. Let me share my screen right quick. Right quick, right quick. All right. Let's get it popping. All right. I'm over here now on. All right. I'm gonna get into it. I got a few orders right here that I could use for example. But this could be anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be. It doesn't necessarily have to be. Doesn't necessarily have to be like freaking a PlayStation. It could be anything. All right, right here. I mean, I'll even let you know what it is. This is just a bathroom suction bar, little bar handle or whatever that I sold. All right, we're just gonna go to the print label screen. Now it weighs 1 pound and it could go to first class, right? But see right down here where it says printable label, instead of clicking on printable label, you're going to click this QR code. And what this QR code is going to do is going to allow you to download this, a little bar scanning code. You're going to be able to download that onto your phone, right? Then you're going to go to the post office and you're going to pull that up. You're going to pull it up on your phone and have them scan that code once you download it to your phone. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it, guys. You know what I mean? That's all you gotta do. Just get that barcode, take it to the post office, and you have to stand in line a little bit, but you could get it shipped off. You know, so that's basically how you do that. You could do that. You could do that on Mercari too as well. But in Mercari, if you ever sell on Mercari, we'll cross that bridge the next video when I get into some videos about selling on Mercari and other platforms and this, that, and the other. I'll show you the ins and outs. It's just, Mercari get kind of tricky with the labels and stuff. Even if you do have a printer, you still have to do a few things with it. But we'll get into all of that. But I mean, that's it, guys, man. I just wanted to show you guys that quick tip. You know what I mean? If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, whatever. And I'm going to holler back at you guys later. Peace out.